Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I would like to present my paper about the blockchain that about web application design for legal companies in Indonesia. This is the term of my paper: introduction, basic theoretical, design system, system analysis, and conclusion. About the blockchain. Blockchain was born to solve the third party that a transaction such as banking, insurance system, and are not only the company that effective, but also the legal company and also political system and can be affected by the blockchains. So the issues is how to upgrade from the basic system into the blockchain system. And the main project proposed now is I compare my system with the Claudia Antal he made a journal in IEEE April 2021, and also I have to make some other improvement about this application, such as eliminate some dependence on assumption that current validation node that has been compromised, reduce the possibility that centralized point to failure in the system. This is the consensus table, which is that I pick one of them, which is suitable to design that I have to make about the blockchain. So I pick the POA. In here, how to create a centralized consensus with permission system. And also you can see that some other choices with the strength and the weakness, but I choose the POA. And back to the second chapter is my basic theoretical is I have to find out first about the legal companies flow, such as you can see that in this term there are about 8 flow of this law firm company that should be basic for me to improve and to make the API design and turn into a program. And then the second is I have to decide as the Antal make the system as fully decentralized, and I make this one as the private blockchain centralized. Why? The reason is because the public, it means that everyone can see the data, but for the private is this blockchain protect the data. Only a few people, only a certain people with some authorization can see it. So it is very compatible with my design, so I choose the second one. After that, besides that, to save the cost, we can use the Firebase as the cloud store system. So the Firebase is provide so many services that we can choose, and we can use also in our system that I will gonna create into my program. After that, after I create, I will measure, I will check my system by using the web stress to compare to Antal system made in 2021, and can I make it better or not? And then after that, as I choose the POA, I need to also make or learn about what the target of my improvement. So I choose the POA, basic on theorem of CAP, consistency, availability, and partition tolerance. So I do not use this partition tolerance because it will cost for the storage. So I only use the C and A, consistency and availability. And then I design the system. From the classic system, as we know that as the law firm or legal companies, they made a document, hard copy document. So we need to change the document into the soft copy. So we need the smart contract developer and then input it into the cloud system based on every client, every connected data that connected to our system. In this picture also, we can divide it the user such as a personal client, company client, or government as a partner. After that, I will design the use case for the system. In this system, I will use the microservice. In this microservice, I divide the user into three kind of level, three kind of a role. Means in when I create the program, the first is client, only for the client, and then the lawyer. After that, the administrator who will improve the system. And then after that, I create the system for the blockchain. The difference from me is only at the block already identified. In Claudia Antal, they made a queuing system. It means that storage for queuing for every user. But for me, I eliminated to get the system is more profitable that for my design. After that, I checking the system, optimize the system, and then make everything as my design. After that, I check the system using the Chrome by pressing F12, and as you can see that the system working for every user for fetch the data only need 97 milliseconds. It means that something more 64, so in rate about 80 milliseconds. And then it's time to analyze the system. The system I made is I divided into kind and off chain and in change. It means that off chain is the time when the lawyer or the client make the document, the copy one, and then they input it. After that, the lawyer or the any other person can get the data. And for the system analyze, I use the stress test. In this time, as you can see that the performance, I choose the request per second compared to current request, current user who is come to our site and accessing it. And at the picture of the figure 4.3, for number A, is this one is the Antal virtual Antal system. It means that after 800 or more about 900, the system will become slower and slower. And for me, I limit the user, the virtual user who accessing it, I make it into 500, means that I keep maintain the speed of my system. And also not only the speed I can also get the security. After that, I'm just analyzing it, the consensus, is it working or not? Just checking by the rule. The conclusion is the first one, the law firm blockchain system is more concerned with data confidentiality when compared to Cloudera Anta blockchain system. Assume that performance result is also better to maintain high speed performance and also the blockchain compared to Anta Cloudera. And also we can get something more. The use of the restricting or limitation of the application not only can get increased our speed and maintain the speed of our system, it also can be used as the security when such as hacker like DDoS try to attack our system, we can get more stronger than system Antal because Antal Cloudera is more vulnerable. The application of POA consensus designing is more profitable than for the law firm. I think, thank you. That's all for my presentation tonight.